A ChiroSecure research update. A study published in the Journal of Integrative Neuroscience explored the effects of chiropractic spinal adjustments on resting state electroencephalography (EEG) recordings and early somatosensory evoked potentials in Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. In this randomized crossover study, 14 adults with Alzheimer's disease and 14 adults with Parkinson's disease underwent chiropractic spinal adjustments and a control, sham, intervention in a randomized order with a minimum of 1 week between each intervention. EEG was recorded before and after each intervention, both during rest and stimulation of the right median nerve. Chiropractic spinal adjustment significantly reduced the N30 peak in individuals with Alzheimer's by 15%. Resting state EEG showed an increase in absolute power in all frequency bands after chiropractic spinal adjustments in individuals with Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. The findings revealed a notable enhancement in connectivity within the default mode network at the alpha, beta, and theta frequency bands among individuals undergoing chiropractic adjustments. Future studies may require a larger sample size to estimate the effects of chiropractic spinal adjustment on brain activity.